I hope you're having a great day. So today I'm going to clean up these peonies. It's a beautiful day today. It is probably the last nice day we will get until spring, I'm guessing. And then tomorrow is rainy and then it is cold. I will put a picture up of our weather forecast. It's not looking good. So I was like, I'm going to get this done. I might, when I get this done, I have a whole bunch of vases inside to clean. And I also would like to clean up a little bit of the inside of that chicken house. I think building tables in 30 degrees is going to be really cold. Every once in a while the weather surprises us and warms back up a little bit, you know, for a week or two or different things. So we'll just have to see how the weather treats me this year. And I know I could go along with my weed eater and just weed eat all of these off and then take my leaf blower and just blow it all to the bottom, and that is probably what I will do in future years. But this year I think I'm going to go along and cut them because they're just such new plants. The weed eater kind of rips stuff up, and I don't think that's a big deal. As a matter of fact, I've done it to the ones at home and they're fine, and I know this, but I was like, you know what, it's so nice. I'm gonna just enjoy a little bit of being outside today because I might not get a chance again without being all bundled up head to toe. And I'm just gonna go clip them nicely and just kind of brush them down the path. I know it's gonna take longer, but I kind of want to enjoy this last day of being outside because I know it's Iowa and I know you can get bundled up and do a lot of things, and I probably will, but it's just nice to be in a t-shirt and feel a nice warm breeze and just be outside. So I'm doing it the long way, the enjoyable way for me. So I'm just gonna get to it. I am using my iPhone today for footage. I don't have the connection for my tripod for the GoPro yet, but it's on its way. It wasn't too much, and I think I can just interchange the pieces. So that'll be nice. Another thing that's nice that you guys might not realize, so a lot of times when I wasn't doing videos, I would flip my phone on to like Pandora and I would listen to music. And I am a person that just loves listening to music while I work. And when I'm videoing all the time, I can't listen to music because I've been using my phone. So now that we have another camera, I'll be able to do that again, especially on the parts where I cut out the sound and just put my video to music. So I'm really looking forward to that next year too, because I missed my music this summer and I can't wait to have it back. Okay, I think all the holes are cleaned up. The foliage is cut off. This one, I didn't push it all the way to the bottom yet, but I think it's going to be really windy, so hopefully it just flies away this winter. And I also weeded them as I was going through. We'll see if that helps next spring. Now I'm going to go do the ones over here by this tree. I was gifted a bunch more vases, so I need to get them cleaned up too because this water starts getting real cold. There's no hot water here. And it's well water. So the colder it gets, the colder the water gets. Okay, so I got most of them all washed and good. I had 4 jars that I don't know, the label didn't just scrape off easily, so I'm just going to soak them longer. Normally if I soak them long enough, like all of those that I scraped off, I put them in the sink yesterday and they all scraped off. These jalapenos, I don't know what's going on, they're from Texas. They're sticking a little bit more, so I'm going to just let them sit and soak in the sink, and eventually they'll just scrape off real easily. I don't need them right away, so that's usually what I do. Sometimes it only takes 2 hours, and I just have one of the brushes that has the little like scraper. I'm sure you can use like a pan scraper or anything, and then scrape them off. I see people have problems with it all the time, and I'm like, it's really easy just to soak them and then scrape them off. Even the tags on the bottom, I'll just set them upright and then scrape off the bottom. It's not that big a deal. But this task is almost done. I let these sit for just a little bit, and then I can dump out all of the blue and rinse them out and put them away. But I might just let them sit for a long time because it just sanitizes them. So there's nothing wrong with letting them sit there and sanitize, in my opinion. So, yay! I got another task done today. I filled those water bowls and the birds are just like flocking to them. Well, I think that was a productive day. I got 2 of my tasks done. I think I'm going to hold off on taking stuff out of there and doing that just because I don't want to get started and have a bunch of stuff in my truck and then it's going to rain all day tomorrow. I can always do it in the cold. I can put on all my winter gear and it's actually out of the wind and out of the element, so it is something that I can do even when it's cold out before a whole bunch of snow falls. Usually when a lot of snow falls, it's hard to get up this driveway and get out here, but we will see. Yay, all the field work is done for 2022. And tomorrow, actually today while you're watching this, tomorrow for me, today for you is my birthday. So I probably won't be filming a video for Thursday. No, today's Wednesday. So I probably won't be filming a video for Friday, and I don't really know what the weekend holds. I don't know what we're gonna do. It's my birthday weekend, so I might take a few days off, but it's good to have everything wrapped up before my birthday, and hopefully there will be time to come out here and do some stuff in the buildings that I out of the elements, and even on maybe nicer days I can do some cleanup and different stuff. So I'll take you along with me when I do. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a great day.